Want to know the 3 menstrual products that I think all girls should know about? Keep on watching to find out. Hey guys, Nicole Harlow here, and you're watching Girl Meets Body, where I'm introducing you to your body one episode at a time. And today I want to share with you the 3 menstrual products that I think all girls should know about. And this isn't just your traditional pads and normal tampons. This is different. It's been a really long time since I used a traditional tampon or a pad. Even longer for pads. I can't even tell you the last time that I used like a regular pad. What I want to show you today is so much better. Not even is it better for your body, it's better for the environment, and it's better ultimately for your wallet. You may need to invest a little bit to buy one of these 3 products, but 2 of them will last for a long time, and you'll definitely get your money's worth over time. So let's start with one that you already know, and that is the Humble tampon. But this is a tampon with a twist, because I think every girl should know that there's an alternative to traditional tampons, and that's an all-natural, applicator-less tampon. Using it without an applicator takes a little bit of time to master the technique, but I have another video where I talk all about tampon tips. You can find it right up here. I think every girl should know about these tampon alternatives. 1, because it's better for the environment, and 2, most importantly, it's better for your body. This is made out of unbleached organic cotton, which means that you're not putting anything nasty in an area that's so porous and so absorbent and sensitive. The idea of normal tampons really grosses me out now, thinking that we put them in our vaginas and they're made with cotton that could be sprayed with pesticides and it's been bleached to a bright white. I don't really use a lot of tampons, even these ones nowadays, but I always make sure to have 1 or 2 of these in my bag in case I need them in an emergency. If you use tampons, I suggest that you make the switch to something organic and natural. Next up, we have reusable menstrual pads. This comes from a set of 5 that I got 12 years ago from a brand called Luna Pads. And as you can see, it's still in really good shape. The snaps still work. I've had no problems with any of them. This is like the daddy of them all. This is the biggest one. So you can see it's like as big as my head. It actually has little inserts here where you can put like a cotton insert. This is for like obviously the heaviest day. I only use this one in bed because you kind of get a wedgie, but this is my biggest one. I just don't have a smaller one to show you right now because I don't have them with me, and 1 I'm actually wearing right now because I'm bleeding. I love reusable menstrual pads. 1, because they're good for the environment. 2, because they're good for you. And 3, because they last a hell of a long time. Think about this, 12 years with monthly periods. Imagine how much money I saved just by investing in a set of reusable menstrual pads. If you want to learn more about reusable menstrual pads, I'm going to link a video up here where I talk about this in more depth, how you use them, which brands I love, and how you can keep them clean. And number 3 in my list of menstrual products that I think every girl should know about is a menstrual cup. This is a brand called Intimina. I think that's how you pronounce it. I've never heard it pronounced before, so correct me if I'm wrong. I actually got this one from CVS. I have used a Moon cup before. I also know about the Diva cup. There seems to be lots of alternatives now. I just liked that I could get this at the drugstore. And what I love about this one is you can pack it up really tiny. So when you're not using it, you can just stick this in your bag. It's really, really thin. And when you're ready to use it, you pop it out and you fill it up with your blood. Using a menstrual cup does take a little bit of time in the beginning to figure out how to actually use it. So I'm going to link a video up here all about how to use a menstrual cup and what my best tips are for using one and keeping it clean. Now, something that should be on this list that's not on here yet are menstrual underwear, like the kind that you get with brands like Thinx, for example. I think every girl should know about these. I just haven't added it as a number 4 to my list because I haven't actually tried them yet. So in theory, it's something that I recommend for all women, but because I haven't tried it in practice, I can't wholeheartedly recommend them yet. But when I do get a pair, I will be sure to do a video and let you know what my thoughts are. So just as a recap, the 3 menstrual products that I think all girls should know about: 1 is organic natural tampons, 2 is reusable menstrual pads, and 3 is a menstrual cup. I like to combine all 3 for my period. Usually on the first day, I use my reusable menstrual pads. I think if I had a pair of Thinx or menstrual underwear, that's probably the day I would use them too. On day 2, until I finish bleeding, I use my menstrual cup, sometimes in conjunction with using this, which is the panty liner size of the reusable menstrual pads, just in case I get any leakage. And if I'm caught out by my period and I'm a little bit surprised by it, then I may use an organic tampon. But like I said, I use them less just because I don't really want to contribute to more waste in the world. And I love going through a full period knowing that I haven't thrown anything out. So when I use my reusable menstrual pads, and I use the menstrual cup for that, I know that I've done good by my body and also by the environment. So now it's your turn to let me know. Have you used any of these 3 products? Did you learn anything new today? If you're not sure what's going on with your hormones, you can use the link below and take my hormonal archetype quiz. It's 2 questions, it takes 2 minutes. It's going to help you find out what's going on in your body. If you need some more hormonal support, like you're trying to get pregnant naturally, you have PCOS or irregular periods or other hormonal symptoms, I think you're going to love my Unlock Your Cycle course. You'll also find the links down below. You could also work with me one-on-one at my online clinic, the Center for Menstrual and Sexual Health. Finally, if you like this Period Power t-shirt, you can find this in our Girl Meets Body shop. The links are down below. You'll find this and other period and feminist related t-shirts that are super cute for you or a friend. If you haven't already subscribed, click that big red subscribe button because this is Girl Meets Body and I'm introducing you to your body 1 episode at a time. And I don't want you to miss anything. Once again, I'm Nicole Harlow and thank you so much for being here with me. Can't wait to see you on the next episode. Bye.